Okay. Uh, Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining this meeting. And let me introduce myself. My name is Sinta Febrianti Husnul Hatimah as an operator engineer for Global Purified Technology. In this occasion, I will be presenting our plan for a consortium project with water flow industry to build a demineralization water treatment plant in the Jambarantiong Biru field. I hope this presentation will give you a little idea of how our plan will work until we can make a good agreement for us together. Let me show you the presentation. Is it okay? Okay, so this is my presentation about demineralization water treatment plant. Okay, so let's start it. So, demineralization water treatment plant is one of the important support for the Jambarantiong Biru field to produce the gas and supporting for the process area to make a good quality of gas. So the Jambarantiong Biru field trusts us to build demineralization water treatment plant and have a team work with a water flow industry that have high experience to build and provide the best equipment and technician for installing demineralization water treatment plant equipment. Okay, next. Okay, this is a little about demineralization water treatment plant. What is demin water or demineralization? Demineralization is the process of removing mineral salts from water by using the ion exchange process that is known as a cation and anion exchange. Demineralized water is water that completely free or almost of a dissolved materials. Oh, I'm sorry for this pop-up. I will close it. And the demineralization technology is the proven process for a treatment of water. And a demin water system produces mineral-free water by operating the principles of ion exchange, degasification, and polishing. Demineralized water system finds wide application in the field of steam, power, process, and cooling. Next, and this is our plan for the flowchart of demineralization water treatment plant that will be built in a Jambarantiong Biru field. This is our flowchart water treatment plant. I will give you a little explanation about this flowchart. From a normal water or raw water that we have in the fire water tank, this that we know that the raw water is supplied by the other company. It will be pumped to sand filter tank. The raw water will be filtered physically, so there is no large molecule in the water. And next, the water will go through carbon active unit that will be purified for the pH from the pH the purify of the water, and so on. And next, the deionized process, the water will the ion in the water will be exchanged at the cation and anion exchanger. So the product or the result of cation and anion exchanger is the deionized water, or we know that demin water, that will be pumped into demin tank or demineralized tank. And this demin water will be the source for for the boiler to produce a good steam that will be used for the process area to make a good gas or sweet gas for the gas national Indonesia. And next, about the company that we have teamwork or the consortium, that is water flow industry. And let me introduce this company. Water flow industry is a global technology and services company specializing in water management. They are the highest quality company in their field and have reached the international arena. And its experience, water flow industry has assisted ExxonMobil and Total Indonesia in the treatment of demin water and wastewater with the reliability of its equipment and the technicians. We know that in the ExxonMobil, the water is really good and have a high specification for the steam. So we can adopt their idea of demi, or we can adopt their idea to build a demineralization water treatment plant. And this is their product and the important equipment that we have to build in the demineralization water plant. First is activated carbon filter. Activated carbon filter will be equipped with carbon, gravels, pebbles, strainer plate, strainers, and so on that will be provided by water flow industry. And so the ion exchange process that we have to build the cation exchange and anion exchange, we have some resins or high specification resin that will be provided to by water flow industry. And water flow industry give us the manual book and the specification of this equipment and this resin and how to use this equipment optimally and how to maintain the equipment at a good condition. Next. Okay. Water flow industry, their company offer excellent quality demineralization plant manufactured through the technically advanced process. Demineralization water treatment plant provided by their company is highly demanded in various industries and municipal sectors that we have discussed before. And they are regarded as one of the trusted demineralization water plant exporters. And there is some advantage that I have talked with the water flow industries. For the advantages is variety of cost-effective standard models, improved aesthetic and rugged design, user-friendly, low maintenance and easy to install, simpler distribution and collection systems, quick availability, pre-dispatch and assembly check. And water flow industry give us the guarantee of 2 years after installing the equipment, so the engineer or the technician will be in the Jambaran Tiongpiru field to monitor the equipment and give us the assurance that this equipment will be work properly, and it it is a good deal to us. Okay, I think that's all I can say. And for further information, we can make a discussion or meeting for the next time. And I hope we can make a good agreement with the water flow industry to build a demineralization water treatment plant in the Jambaran Tiong Biru process field to support the process of um, the to support process of making gas or sweet gas. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.